The New Zealand insurance space is growing and evolving, with one of the big steps being Dual's entry into the market 4 years ago. We caught up with Asia Pacific CEO Damien to see what the journey has been like.
4 years ago we decided the next stage of our Asia Pac expansion would be to open in New Zealand, and we're absolutely proud and thrilled of the business that we've built. In 4 years to build a business that's now transacts 35 million in premium, has 15,000 active policyholders, has 23 staff and is the number within the top 5 liability markets in New Zealand is something we're incredibly proud of. But there's no doubt when you're running a high growth business that's gone from 0 to 35 million in 4 years, you're going to have some growing pains. And yes, we've definitely been through some growing pains. We've had to make some tough decisions to get the right structure of the business to take it from a start-up to where our aim is to be a $100 million player in the New Zealand market. As we went through the journey of having to deal with some tough decisions and get the right structure in the business, the most important thing for me was in the conversations that I had with brokers through this journey was the consistent message that the market needs Dual. With the convergence of capital and the rationalisation that's going on in the market, brokers need a market that is hungry, is dynamic, is able to respond to what they need rather than operating in the traditional markets. So to be a top 5 liability market in 5 years is something we're incredibly proud of. But that is the platform that we're now looking to build the future. And we're building the future based on what we're hearing from brokers. They want service, they want new products, they want innovation in delivery. With the latest mergers of the 2 big insurers, the ability of choice is getting reduced. The ability of products and services are being offered in a commoditised ways rather than tailored to give solutions to clients. And so with our 23 people, we're sitting there and working with brokers as to how we can deliver solutions for the next phase of where the market's heading.
Coates predicts big changes coming in the years ahead and says brokers must be positioned to react to them.
There's no doubt in the next 5 years we're going to see an unprecedented level of change in the insurance industry, and New Zealand will be no different. We're seeing the convergence of capital between insurers, reinsurers and wholesale capital. What is the role of the insurer, the reinsurer? The lines are becoming blurred. We're also seeing brokers acquiring underwriting agencies, and the proliferation of broker acquisitions driven by cluster groups and large intermediary buying powers is such that the next 5 years will be an unprecedented period. So how you position yourself to adapt to change will be critical to the future, and we've seen New Zealand as a market that we're going to be sitting there listening to brokers to come up with solutions, whether it's building new products for exposures such as cyber or integrating a liability policy or transacting business in a simple fast track environment on an online basis. Remove the paper, make it easy, help the broker improve the margin out of the business they have and help them go and grow new business, because at the end of the day it's tough for us all to win a new client, but if we can build a new product opportunity for an existing client, it actually deepens our relationship with the client. And that's what we've done for 10 years throughout Asia Pac, is listening to brokers, coming up with solutions for their clients, and that's where I see the real opportunities in New Zealand in the future.